Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a KFC mukbang. Yeah. Anyone notice anything different? Nah, I got my hair cut and my greys coloured. Long overdue guys. I mean my greys are starting to look grey on top of grey. And I thought I gotta get this fixed. So I went to this new salon out in the Druid, on Mount Druid, and it's called Salon with Garo Faye. No, it's Salon H and Co. Yeah, my first time going to them guys. They're like Arabic owner. Very friendly, and I liked how she calls me babes. Called me babes. Hey babes, do you want this babes? Oh, she was so sweet, you know, really friendly, and I loved that. You know, you get service with a smile, service with a bit of kindness and consideration. I love that. You know, treat your customers good and they will return. So now I'm saying that's my hair salon. And I think there was an island girl that's working there too. She's going to have a turn up through my hair, but today was the owner, so it's always good. 21 years of hands of experience, like, So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? But anyway, never mind about that. It's about the mukbang. But look, the reason why I'm holding up this taro black ball bubble drink is because I remember Dylan Afuye said to me if I could do taro and black ball. Okay, so this is for you, Dylan. Hey, stop it. I gotta give Dylan a drink, guys. Excuse yous. Okay, always gotta shake these, not too hard, because it might burst, and you know, and then you end up crying because you lost your drink. Okay, but here, cheers everyone, and cheers to you, Dylan Afuye. This is, it's from Concha, no. Oh, it's gonna make stuff you better strong. Anyway, it's Concha. I've got too many balls. It's like big tacos. It's really nice too. But this is coconut taro. Beautiful. So I just show you guys what I got to eat. First of all is this one. I got myself a wrap. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. And I got myself a levy. Anything in there? That's it. Remember back in the days? Yeah, yeah. Guys, see? Why? Colonel Sanders will be happy with me. I'm wearing him today. They go, what are you wearing today, Faye? Oh, Colonel Sanders. Anyway, getting back to guys. Oh, yeah. You know what? You know we've been using boxes for ages, but we never knew. Well, I didn't know that you can fill this completely around, right? Completely around, and then it becomes like a plate. It had to be me. I have to stuff it up. Yeah, but like yeah, it's like a lapisi. Guys, look at that. Then you get this little plate. You can see all your food. Who didn't know that? Who? Yeah, I remember the meals when they used to come, guys. They used to come with like a little mashed potato and a little coleslaw. But now, you know, everyone try to save a buck here, save a buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck, but look at this. Look, you know what? I'm putting the spoon away. I'm using what KFC gave me. Anyway guys, Umala gave me the thumbnail. Time to eat. I've already said my prayers, guys. I have. So, right, you know what? They're supposed to give me a thigh. But anyway. Well, yeah, I must have fight. Don't they know I'm a Faye girl? And this doesn't matter. As long as they didn't give me the wing, because you know the wing, it's a bit small. It's a bit small. Dip it in the gravy, and I'm sharing. Yeah, guys. Not KFC, eh? Beautiful. Okay. I better dig into this. Who wants a bite? Yeah, I'm gonna do a ASMR. I was thinking, how can I do it? I talk too much. You know, if the lady could see that did my hair. Then I put this paper bag over my head. She's gonna go, you know what? When she comes next time, I'm gonna bleach her hair till it falls off. Well, it's the idea that I go lighter. Try to, you're the professionals. And I was quite pleased with the result. Anyway guys, thank you so much for answering my question in my last video when I asked, growing up, who inspired you? And I thank you guys for your fullest replies. It was so like nice to read it, you know. One, because then I get to know you a little bit more. Two, because I'm nosy. Three, because I'm nosy. No. So to those that replied about my question, your father's name will go along there. Okay. You know why I bought the wrap? Because I'm not really a fan of the coleslaw that they have. But I know inside this wrap has salad. And I don't want you guys to think that I don't eat salad. I do. My favorite salad is tomato and cucumber. And that's it. It has, from what I see, a tender, it has a tender, is it tender? A tender piece of chicken and lettuce. And some mayo. when they, oh. When I think about it, then life in Samoa is great. You can go outside. What I used to do, man, I tell you, my mischief legs didn't keep me home. So I'll go next door. There used to be this bread factory next door at Vaivasu back in the days. Oh, you wake up in the morning and you can smell. My parents didn't hardly have any money, but just the woof of it. Anyway, so I don't know if I told this story before. I'm quite embarrassed to even say it, but I will tell it. Okay. We were not the rich bunch in our family. Anyway, my grandma's brother, his name is Maeli Rimori. Anyway, well, my uncle Rubenga. Oh yeah, I hear that he retired from being principal in Samoa of a school. Anyway, he used to go past when we're eating our ki maruru or ki vivela with last night's fae or last night's ulu. Even though I like it, I'll eat it, but he goes past to go to the shop, and then when he returns, he's passing by with 2 loaves of bread in his hand. And then I push my food away. I remember this one time. I pushed my food away and I go to my mother, "Fia ai se whalawa, o fiu ai ia mea ai." Smart me. Anyway, she'll go, "Oh, hey!" Getting told not to eat what's in front of me. Don't be a suki lala. And I go, "Kele fia ai ia mea ai. Fia mana se whalawa." Anyway, so we used to live next door to one another. You know, my morning family and us next door. Yeah. I think I was about 5. So we ate and I went for a walk. This was much later though. It was like probably lunchtime by then. So I was heading towards my dad, who works next to at St. Clair's, but I tiptoed and I looked inside it was my grand uncle's house. Okay, and as I was looking, I was just about to go, carry on walking, when I saw inside their sefe, there sat this whole loaf of uncut, beautiful fresh bread. And I tell you what, when I looked at that loaf of bread, it like had my name on it, you know, with crystal lights around it and everything, you know. And I went, okay, plan. So I planned with myself, like, we're gonna go get that bread. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna jump through there. I remember the window. I don't think it had a window glass. I think it was just one of these things. Anyway, so what I did, I jumped in, right. Oh, my poor auntie. Okay, I jumped in, right. So I walked over to the sefe. I opened up the sefe and I held the bread. When I held the bread, my auntie, Faye, yeah, Faye, she was coming around. She was just walking in. She didn't hear me or anything. So, and then she would, ah, because she has a sort of a high pitched voice. Ah, I was wishing I was invisible right then and there. Oh, oh, oh. I saw my life flash through my very eyes that time. That minute she called out. And I looked at her. At first I was going to plead my case. I was going to go, yeah, I ain't. But I thought, no, maybe she doesn't know who I am. And I'm not joking. I just dived for the window, caught my awanga, caught my awanga out of the thing, and then I just let myself drop. Stand up, and I started bolting next door. Bolted. Oh, I ran for dear life. Oh, how embarrassing to tell you guys, but I remember it so well. Oh, anyway, so, and I could hear her calling out to Rubenga, so, how to put it, mate? I think I outrun the Roadrunner. You know the Roadrunner, the cartoon? Yeah, I outran him that day. Oh, that was embarrassing. When I got there, I remember my father. He was loading things onto a red lorry. Anyway, he was loading my dad was loading stuff onto a lorry. It's a truck that belongs to Mr. Sinclair. Anyway, yeah, I went there. I got there. I was so puffed out for my running, guys. I was so puffed out. I was like, looking back, like, you know, worrying that someone did come after me. And then my dad goes, hey, what's the matter with you? I don't know. And I saw a kapal, mate. And he goes, I feel looking at it. I don't find it. I don't know if I saw it so awful. Yeah. So, guess what, guys? Instead of going back that way, I went right around. I went home. When I got around to the answer, I was walking down. And I can just see my mother looking at me with daggers coming out of her eyes. Daggers, a long one. And a grenade. Yeah, that's what was coming out of her eyes. Let's go start. Anyway, sorry! Anyway, it was too late. So I got her hiding. And she called me Muri Sisi that day too. Remember? And she was telling me off. I think she was hitting me and she was going, I'm in way. Hitting her. No, she's not a lefty, so. Hitting my awanga. And he goes, no more Muri Sisi. Oh, my head. Yeah. He goes, no more Muri Sisi. Excuse me, Samoa. Excuse me, guys. She goes, hey, hello. How you doing? And she goes, hey, hello. I go, yeah, I follow. And every time she was going after my awanga, she was like, I will call her, yeah, I follow. You know, guys, I'm stopping right there. Oh, man. I feel embarrassment. But anyway, guys, I remember it so well. I was a little shock horror. I tell you. My dear auntie, Faye, rest in peace to my auntie. She passed away years and years. But, you know, I remember. See what happens when you have a poor family, a rich family? That's what happens. The little poor one comes up. I follow anyway, guys. We'll kick you out. Look, David, need to finish, guys. I love Kfc gravy. I always say, when you make us a legal there and go and buy the Kfc gravy, sometimes they don't do it right because there's a bit not enough salt. But I like it, eh? I can just eat hot chips and this. Thanks for hanging out with me, listening to my fresh bread story. Only in Samoa, eh? Only in Samoa. No, happens everywhere, thank you very much. Not only in Samoa, it happens in, yeah, I won't tell you where. But you guys, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Don't forget to push that subscribe button, push the like button, leave a little comment if you think that you enjoyed the story. Appreciate you guys so much. Okay, God bless every one of you guys. Whāsoi fua. Now I'm going to go and find out. My sister was saying that I talk too much. Whāsoi fua. Bye guys. KFC was delicious. I'm taking my drink. Wha.